how to turn off Pinterest ads personalization. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want Pinterest to stop showing you personalized ads? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Pinterest ads personalization quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. Open up a Pinterest app and then head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three dots in the top right and head over to settings. Now go to privacy and data. So here you'll find personalized ads option like ads about Pinterest. So just toggle it off. You can see activity for ad reporting. You can toggle it off as well. You can toggle off sharing info with partners and ads off Pinterest. So this stops Pinterest from showing ads based on your activity. So once you have done that, now you'll still see ads, but they will not be tailored to your interest. And you can turn it back anytime if you want personalized recommendation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.